Welcome to East Leonard Elementary School. I am Tammy Jenkins, the principal of the school, and I would like to share with you today some of the reasons why our school is so special and might be the right fit for you. One reason why our school is so great is because it is a small school and therefore we really get to know each and every child. You will often see every staff member walking through the hallway greeting your child by name because it is such a small school. In addition, our school typically has low class sizes because of that, and therefore your kids get more individual attention. We understand that each child is unique. Our staff is trained to meet the unique needs of each individual child. We have many support staff, including a speech therapist, a physical therapist, occupational therapist, as well as many resource teachers that are trained to meet the differentiated needs of each child. East Leonard students learn compassion and acceptance because of our diverse population. We have many inclusion classrooms where differences are accepted and celebrated. In addition to rigorous instruction in our core subjects, we also understand the importance of developing the whole child. We have a program called True Success, which teaches many important character traits that students will use not only in school, but also in life. Our staff also understands the importance of social-emotional learning. We know that students' needs must be met, such as safety and belonging, in order for students to learn. Safety is our top priority. We have implemented numerous protocols in our school to keep our students safe. Some of these include a health and emergency flowchart, systems for arrival and dismissal, as well as high expectations for behavior. In addition, we have protocols in place to protect our students from COVID transmission. Some of these protocols include assigned seats at lunch and in the classroom, socially distanced lines, as well as separate areas for recess. We have amazing community partners that generously provide so much for our school. They provide food, clothing, playground equipment, food trucks, and so much more. If we ever have a need, we know that we can count on our community partners to support us. We have an amazing staff. Our teachers and support staff are dedicated to ensuring that your child has a positive experience here at school. Many of our staff members go above and beyond to make sure that the needs of your child are met. Our staff embraces the concept of lifelong learning, and we continue to participate in professional development in order to improve our practice. I obviously love East Leonard, but there are a few other people that would like to share what they love about our school.
I'm Miss W, and I am the first grade resource teacher at East Leonard. I have been here for 5 years, and I absolutely love the community feel of it. It's a small school, and so as I've seen students go from kindergarten to 5th grade, it's just awesome to see them grow up and to be able to know all of their names and to be able to say hi to them in the hallways. And then when we get siblings, it's so cool to be like, oh, I know your older brother and sister because I had them in class. So East Leonard is a great place to be, and I absolutely love it here.
I love East Leonard for many reasons. It's where I first had my experience teaching. I did my student teaching here and have stayed ever since. I fell in love with the faculty, the students, and the families here at East Leonard. It is a smaller school, which makes it awesome. I feel like I'm really able to get to know each student individually and their families and what we can do as a community to come together and make our students great. So, yeah, I love how close-knit we are here.
I love East Leonard because it's just such a family feel here. Everyone here, no matter what grade the kiddo is in, whether they've had them before or haven't, know each kid, know any special needs or accommodations that they need, and know how to build a relationship with that kiddo. We really are a team and a family here, and it's just a real homey feeling.
I like East Leonard because the principal is nice and the school is nice and the teachers nice, and because it's a great school for kids.
I like East Leonard because it has no bullies, good learning, and good staff.
I love this school because we can make friends and we can play with them.
I love being at East Leonard because it is a diverse place. It is somewhere where I can be myself and allow others to be themselves.
One of my favorite things about East Leonard is just how welcoming and caring all of the staff are, and how they just make a huge push to make sure that everyone feels welcome and safe inside of the building.
I love East Leonard because of how it feels like a family. I love our small size. It makes it so that all of our staff can create really good relationships with all of the students in the building. So not only do I have relationships with my first graders, I can also have those relationships that last all throughout the rest of their schooling. So if I see a 5th grader who needs help or a 3rd grader who needs help, I already have that relationship established, and I can be that adult that they trust and can use to help them out.
I love this school because we get to learn about math and reading.
I like East Leonard because I like doing math and learning.
The reason I love East Leonard is because I like the teachers who try their best, and also love the principal because they do the best way to help out our academy.
We hope that you choose East Leonard to be your child's home away from home. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or would like to know more about our amazing school community.